they all go.
Come here. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, hi, little man. Hi, little man.
Come on, girlie. Come on, you're the friendly. Come on. Yellow and the pink is the friendliest. The light blue is the hog. He eats.
Come here, babies. This flash.
Hey, what are you doing, huh?
Come here, babies. Come here.
Oh. Yeah. Huh? Sweetie. Yeah. It's a water hose. It's a water hose. The baby's gonna have water. They didn't have clean water. Oh, there's 2 cookies in the water. Cash. Tell us how you really feel about the cookies, Cash.
He's like, I only like homemade.
Yeah. Grandma's calling him.
You are so sweet. Black is so sweet. Is he the biggest?
Yes, was. Oh, well, second to biggest.
This is just rust.
Yeah, it's just rust.
It'll come out. He just needs a bath. And his hair will grow back. He just had a nick there, and the foster thought that they needed to shave it, but they didn't. But the hair will grow back. Pile of puppies. Here we've got Orange. Hi, Orange.
Look, this one's
Playing with
dragging the
the
blanket out.
Oh, we've got somebody trying to bring a blanket to the party. And Blue. He is so cute. He's very small.
He's 4 pounds.
4 pounds.
Look at it.
Are you bringing the blanket? That's light blue. They love toys. Hey.
She is so sweet. Pink and yellow are the sweet.
Hi, Purple. Hi, Purple.
She's the longest leg.
She has the longest legs. She's the tallest.
She's got long legs.
But she's still one of the smaller ones, too.
Yeah.
And her hair will come back in. She already took a neck guard. Her hair will come back in around her eyes, no problem. She'll be looking good in about 2 weeks. Same for this one. They shaved it and we don't know why, but puppy is fine. There's nothing wrong with the puppy. She's so sweet. Yellow! Yellow, yellow!
Look, purple. Light purple, the thing.
Oh. It's like a jungle gym for them.
Yeah, Dawn's bringing home some stuff from work and put it in here for them.
That's fun.
Yeah. It's their size.
They
too.
like it. They like to go under it too.
Yeah, they like that wheel thing too for some reason. Here's the gray.
Hi. This is the, I guess the light blue.
Yeah, light blue.
He's so little. So cute. Is this the one that has the blue eyes?
Yes.
Bluish eyes?
Yeah, and the one with the dark blue, the little black puppy with the dark blue collar, he's got gray eyes too.
Oh, really?
Behind you. The runt.
Come here, baby. Oh, he's playing with a piece of grass. He's cute. All of these puppies are very well socialized and happy. Look at this little pink nose on green. Oh, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. What? Who's playing in there? Hey. Purple, you have something on your nose.
Oh, she's laying down.
This is Gray. Oh, Gray has pretty eyes too. Bluish eyes. Hey, you guys. This little pink girl. Little pink girl. Little pink girl. She's so little and she has short legs. Cute, like little Chewini.